so excited about this one. I cannot wait to get a dining room. Welcome to Dream DIY, where I'm transforming our 1876 Victorian manse. This week we are tackling our dining room. With the room now cleared, it was on to the job I have been dreaming of, taking down the suspended ceiling. This is going! Say bye! Seamus thinks I'm not right in the head. Bye, ceiling! I'm so glad to see you go. So I've got my hard hat on, pink of course. Seamus is fixing the masks. Then we need our glasses and our gloves, and then we are good to go. I literally jumped for joy when I caught a glimpse of the beautiful coving. I am so excited. So the first good thing is we do have original coving. It was everything I had imagined and more. I wasn't sure how good the condition would be, as I knew the living room coving had been badly damaged, but 2 corners out of 4 wasn't bad. I have carefully collected the broken pieces with the aim to put it back together and fill in the missing bits. I can't tell you how delighted I am to see this 150-year-old coving in all its glory. Follow along to see what else we find. You won't want to miss it.